Wow! Ay, kagas ako? Welcome to my channel and thank you for watching my videos. Ay, kagas ako? Kare. Ay, kagas ako? Swimming! Ay, kagas ako? Welcome to Tawala Beach Resort of Panglao, Bohol, Philippines. Hi guys, I'm here at Tawala Beach Resort of Panglao, Bohol. This is commonly called as the Little Boracay of Bohol. So if you will visit Bohol, you will really miss your opportunity if you cannot drop by and swim in this beach resort. So just a quick information guys, Alona is a sitio of Tawala, Panglao. So the locals named this one as Tawala Beach Resort. So come and visit because you will really experience and you will witness the white sand of the beach. Enjoy watching! Yara ang white sand. Napoy water. Napoy water. Tawala Beach is one of the most famous tourist spots in Bohol, Philippines. The beach is located near a house reef where corals and colorful fishes can be seen even without diving equipment. This beach is a small, quiet, tropical paradise right at the southwestern tip of Bohol. It is quickly becoming one of the top travel destinations in the Philippines because of its wonderful white sand beach, beautiful blue waters, world-class diving and tours, but it's also a great place to just sit back and relax. The beach at Alona, Tawala, Panglao is a beautiful 1.5-kilometer stretch of white sand bordered on both ends by two rock walls. You can walk from one end to the other in 10 to 15 minutes. You will pass by all sorts of hotels and restaurants where you can stop in for a cold beer or soda and enjoy it while sitting right next to the ocean. Fringed by tall swaying coconut palm trees, some of which are leaning towards the sea and the azure waters beyond, Tawala Beach is a tropical paradise. Enhancing its looks are the blue and white outrigger boats that line the beach area, ready to take visitors on an island tour or dive safari. The morning sun's rays on the shimmering waters are beautiful to behold. Afternoons are shaded for the sun sets at the other side of the island. Yet, when the sun has set and darkness settles in, the stars come out one by one and grace the night sky. Small stars, big stars, red, yellow and blue twinkling stars are visible at night. They fill up the night sky. And if you are lucky enough, you will witness one or two falling stars, and so you can fervently utter a wish. The dominant economic activity is tourism. The beach is usually quite busy and quite clean. Many people enjoy strolling at sunset when the sky colors are spectacular. At night also, the fishing boats come out to play, so to speak. If you feel tired looking up towards the sky, then relax and look outwards towards the dark sea and you will see twinkling lights from the fishing boats out to get their daily catch. Others are not satisfied watching this heavenly scenario. Down into the deep, they are out diving at the various beautiful dive spots that had made Panglao Island diving known to the outside world. The waters of Tawala Beach are rich in marine resources. In fact, a few meters from the shore are seagrasses, which are the habitat of small colored fishes. You have to watch out for the sea urchins though. They are aplenty. Their spines sting but can easily be removed. What's funny? Just find someone to urinate in them and they will be gone in a jiffy. That is true local medication. The beach is a reputed destination for snorkeling and, more importantly, scuba diving. The nearby Balikasag and Pamilacan Islands are of particular interest since both are marine reserves. There is a large number of dive shops in the beach offering a variety of diving certification courses, technical courses, and excursions for divers of all levels. Drift diving is a popular activity. Some sport fishing is organized on the beach, but the main center for this activity is the seaport of Panglao town. Urchins are picked by locals and sold as a delicacy snack on the beach. The underwater ecosystem is protected, and the access to the marine reserve is limited every day. From time to time, boat trips are organized as far as Puslog to see whale sharks. Some can be spotted sporadically in the vicinity of the beach. The underwater fauna and the flora are rich. There are many healthy corals, schools of fish, turtles, barracudas, lobsters, and if lucky one, may even spot whale sharks and dolphins. The underwater current can be quite strong from time to time, creating a lot of turbidity in the water. 100 meters towards the deep is the edge of the house reef. 3 to 5 meters down, you will be able to see some corals and fishes even without diving equipment. This is an ideal place to snorkel. Tawala Beach is easy to get to. Has tons of hotels and resorts and plenty to do and see. It's a must visit while you are in the Philippines, and its proximity to the world-famous sites in Bohol such as the Chocolate Hills, Tarsier Sanctuary, and Lobok River make it an ideal base for exploring Panglao, Bohol, and the rest of the Philippines. To cater to the steady incoming visitors, many resorts have been put up along Tawala Beach, offering full service, good accommodations, and an assortment of local and foreign cuisine. Dive shops are available, offering dive gears for rent, dive instructions, trainings, and safaris. There are about 30 resorts and 15 dive shops of different sizes in the beach alone. At Tawala, one can hire a boat and do diving around the island, as well as in the islands of Balikasag and Siquijor. The beach is also the jump-off point to the island of Pamilacan for dolphin and whale watching. Tired of hopping around? Then just sit at the bars and have a drink on 2 of locally brewed beer. Tawala Beach has many bars where you can meet other travelers, strike up conversation with them, and get enough info on places to visit and the like. Boholanos at the beach, whether visitors or resort staff, are friendly and can make your stay more lively and memorable. Yet do not expect a rowdy nightlife in Tawala Beach. Compared to Boracay, Tawala is quite tame. The place is peaceful. Only few bars offer live music or discos on the weekends. Some resorts have discos under the night sky and right on the beach for a change if the visitors call for it. There are a number of restaurants, bars, and resorts located on the left side and the right side of the beach. Some close down and stop playing music by 10 in the evening, to protect the tourism industry, which relies on early morning tours. Many resorts are offering a wide range of accommodation options with scuba and snorkeling as the most popular activities. If you are in for barbecues, then Tawala Beach is the place for you. At sunset, the beach side is transformed into grilling stations. Almost all resorts with restaurants set up grills by the beach. You can choose what food you want, whether grilled pork, chicken, and the ever-present seafoods. Tables and chairs are provided, so with your food and a cold beer, you can likewise enjoy looking out to the sea and watch the fishing boats go by and the subsequent twinkling stars. For fine dining, an open-air Italian restaurant is available up the street of Tawala Beach towards the highway. The beach is situated at Sitio Alona of Barangay Tawala, Panglao, Bohol, Philippines. It is situated around 20 kilometers from the port of Tagbilaran, which may take to about 30 to 40 minutes. It is also about 2 kilometers from the new Panglao Bohol International Airport. It is accessible by a sealed road, by car, motorbike, airport bus or jeepney. Tagbilaran City can be reached in 2 hours by fast ferries from Cebu. Panglao Island is divided into 2 towns, Dawis and Panglao. The island is connected to the mainland Bohol by 2 bridges. One bridge connecting to Dawis town and the other to Panglao town from Tagbilaran City. The third bridge will be finished in time, which is accessible directly from the Panglao Airport and Tagbilaran Seaport. The beach connects to the Panglao Island Circular Road. Therefore, reaching other parts of the island is easy at almost any time of the day. The new air-conditioned airport bus connects Tawala direct to the airport and to Tagbilaran City. Jeepney, private cars, tricycles, vans offer multiple options to move around. To enjoy what nature has offered us, be in Tawala Beach of Panglao, Bohol, with so much to offer. Behold, Bohol.
Have you ever met someone you could not get back at? Have you ever been in love so deep there's no way out? I wish I could explain your eyes and how the sound of your voice gives me butterflies. How your smile makes my heart skip a beat. How every time I'm with you I feel so complete. So complete. You are the light when there is no sun. You are the rainbow when the rain is done. You are the wind that whistles my name. You are the love when the world's the same. You are the star that twinkles in the night. You are the moon that shines so bright. You are the wind that whistles my name. You are the love when the world's the same.
Full half? You will really miss the opportunity if you cannot swim in Panglao Island, specifically Tawala Beach Resort.
You feel like
Hi, we're finally done swimming, guys. And already kayo sa time. A lot for the swimming, guys. Kami na siya. Supposed to be 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay pa tayo. Our time is early morning or Guys, I would like to shout out Ate Susain Costemiano, Ming Ming Martel, Korea Dona Vlog, Diane Kaibot, and Christopher Revel Manhilon. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Special thanks to my channel members, Kusina Co-Vlog, Pesar Motovlog, Simply Aldrich Tutorials, Wakoy Kwarta, CCW Westgate, Jude Shoto, Mommy and Ellie Vlog, Tautuan Vlog, Papa J 81 Vlog, Gems Lifestyle, and of course, Diane Kaibot. Thank you guys for always there supporting my channel. For those who would like to subscribe their channels, just leave a message and they will get back to you. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Bye!